Hi everyone. So in the last video I shown you about how to create this multiple windows. Now I'm just going to continue the code, like how to create this login window. I will take the username from the user, then I will take the password, and when I submit I will just validate whether my login details or credentials are correct or not. So I will write here username. I will just take it shortcut guys, uname, and here I will take it password. When I will give in the window, it will be like perfectly fine. So as you know that this was my last code. I hope those who are totally new to this video number 2, please I will suggest watch the video number 1. I will give the link in the description also, or you can see it on my channel, that is Friends of Technical. So just one request guys, those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So let us continue with this. So what I need to do in this login, now I want to continue the code. So in the login, two things I have to create here. What are those two things? One, I need to create the box, and two labels will be there. Label name is username and password, and these are the two entry boxes are there. So to create the label, I will write here my first label name is, let us say, uname, nothing but username is equals to label. Label I need to pass in the login window. What is the label text you want? I want the label text as let us say this text I will take it as username. So whatever the name you want to display, that name you have to type here, username. Okay, and just I will make it like this only. Uname dot place means you want to place on that window. Which window? Login window. X is equals to, again same thing, from X how much size, and Y is equals to how much, around 70 I will take it. So my label will be created there. Once we'll cross check whether it is working fine or not. Click on login, and my login username came. Okay, now what I want, same I want one entry box here, but actually here very important, self we have to use. So now you will say, sir, why self? Because when I click on this window, observe very carefully guys, when I click on this window login, I will enter my text here, and this text should be read by another file. So how, that is we are going to tell, but you remember one thing, whenever you are creating entry box, you should write the self here. I will write self dot u underscore name, nothing but username is equals to name. You can give anything here, it is your wish, because it is username text box, so I am giving a username. And entry, and this entry should be on the login wine, nothing but this page I want this entry box, so that's why I give this one. And then again self dot uname, nothing but you want to place this on the same window, so x-axis will be around 200. Sir, why? Because this label is there in front, I want this name. So suppose this name is up to here, let us say it is up to here, let us say it is 100, 150. So after this box is started, so I am giving here 200 is my size. And y-axis, obviously it should be same like this one. Why? Because I want this both in the same line. So whether it will work fine or not, if it is one is working fine, means rest two we can create it. So username text box is created, and this y-axis is looking little more, so we'll just reduce it to 170. That's it. Now, so second label I need to create. What is the second label we are having? Password is equals to, guys, why I am not creating password as self? Because this data, nothing is there into this one. Self I am creating here because this data I am going to use somewhere, so that's why self is mandatory here. So don't forget, self only will come for entry box, not for other things. So I will write label, so login window comma text is equals to, here a password I will give it text as password, and let us place this one. How to place? So I will write pw2 dot place place. X-axis will be again same, but y-axis this time we will change it to 100. Okay, because just above this is 70, so below that one distance is 100. So because this distance will be around 70 is there, so obviously this PW distance will be increased to 100. So same thing, I will create now text box again, as I told you, self dot pwd, do one thing, p underscore pwd, I will do nothing but password. You can use any name, there is no difference between this, but this thing is very important. Login window we have to give, because if you don't give, what will happen, this entry will come in the first window. First means where we execute the first logic, now there only it will come, but I want to in which window, login window, that's why login window you have to mention here. And then this code self dot pwd should be come just in the line of this one. So x will be 170 and y will be 100, because this and this should be in one line. And then finally last button will come, that is submit button. So I will give name as submit is equals to button login window form. This button should say text is equals to, what is the text of this button, submit I want. And very important thing, command guys, this is what we need to write now. And I will say L validation, nothing but login validate. And as you know, when I click on this, we should create one more function for that. That is also I am going to tell you. Submit dot place. X-axis will be 100 and the y-axis will be around. So that is 100. So I will give 120. So it will look perfectly fine. And the very important thing, because here it is getting error. Why? Because I don't have any function with the nail code. Because when I submit this data should go to another function. So def L validate, nothing but login validate is my code I need to create here. Right now I will write pass. So how to read the code, that is also we are going to discuss. So run my program, login window, username and password is coming, but submit we are not getting here. So where is this submit is coming? Let me just cross check it, where my submit code is going there. Okay, error is showing here, it means something goes wrong. Okay, sorry, here we have to write here actually self dot validate. That error is coming because self I did not write. So let me cross check now. Yes, submit is looking a little odd because it is coming just below to this one. So I will change the position of submit. I will take x-axis to 170, just below to that entry box, 170, and this I will take it to 140. Now I hope it will be very perfect login page will be created. Yes. Now the thing is, sir, here actually title is missing. Okay, because if we get a login, enter login details, it will look more good. So what I will do is, at the start of this username, I will create one title. Title is equals to label login window, comma, text is equals to enter login details, and this should be just exactly x should be at 100 and y will be at around 40. Now what will happen, our page will look more good, you can see it. Oh, nothing is coming. Why? Something goes wrong. Let us check it, what happened to this label we are creating. Label object is not callable. Okay, I miss here place dot place. Yeah, now it will look how it looks, just see. Yeah, enter login details we are getting. And guys, here actually background color is not looking good. Okay, so what I can do is, as you know, I will set this title background. How can we say bg is equals to same like that background yellow, so it will look fine. Then I will say font equals to single quote bold and size I want 50. So yeah, coming, but here actually more little up, and size I will take it little center. So center size means here we will take it as 30, and this x-axis I will move little toward 130. This settings actually all the settings I explained in the classroom, guys. Yesterday we have seen all the stuff, but still, because those who are watching first time on the video, just I'm explaining for them. So what happened, this perfectly window is coming. Now the very important thing, sir, here whatever the names are there, when I enter into this box, I will show it. Suppose I enter my name as Prem and password as PR Softwares. Okay, so PR Softwares, when I submit, right now nothing is happening. Why? Because this data is not going anywhere. So what I need to do is, when I click, this data should come into my validation page. So as you know that when it will come, okay guys, one thing I missed here is I should create my function after this one. Okay, yeah, and make sure it should be in balance side, because your function is starting from in this line, so I'm writing here. Now in the past, what I need to do, this data I want to call here. So how to call here, and make sure that if self is not there, the data will not come here. That's why this entry boxes, my data is I'm entering. How to read? Suppose I am creating uname, nothing but whatever data I will read, I will store into the uname. Self dot uname, nothing but from that name get the data. So whatever I enter, it will, by using this self.uname.get, and make sure this name whatever you gave here and this name should match uname. Dot get is a method, so this name and this name is matched. Now the data will read. After that I will create pwd is equals to self.pwd p underscore wd dot get, nothing but this data I read. Now I want to give validation. I think I explain you about the database connectivity and few doubts you people are having. I solved that one, but still here what I am going to do, I am giving you the connectivity only for like without the database. So those who are very new to this application development, for them it will be very easy. Suppose my username I entered, I want to give PR Softwares. Username is PR Softwares and password should be PR Software Training Institute. What is my username? PR Software, and password is Training Institute, and double equals to means compare. If both are matching, I want to give one window pop-up message. To create a pop-up message, we need to import tkinter dot message box as msg, nothing but this as is nothing but alias name. So by using this we can print some messages. How to print? msg dot show info. My title of the window will be result. I will give here logged in successfully. Logged in successfully. Else I will write msg dot show info result, nothing but window title, and here I will write wrong credential. Okay, now you see whether it is working perfectly or not. So I will give the login page. I will not give the correct details. I am giving Prem and PR Softwares, so which is not, both are not correct, so wrong credential is coming. Sir, now if I want to give the correct credential, what to enter here? So as per our program, you can see here our correct. What is my PR Software is my username, and my password is what? Training Institute. So Training Institute. Now you see logged successfully, nothing but whatever the data I enter, which is working perfectly fine. There is no problem with this one. So in this way we can create what? This window, multiple window we can create. So now I am giving you the task. What you need to do? Now you need to create the registration page. Okay, in this one where I want to create one box as uname. After that I will create password, then city, mobile number, and course. So like this, one form you have to create, and this form you will just submit in this text boxes. So these are the text boxes we have. Okay, and last we will have the submit here. So what you need to do, when I submit this data, you have to read and you have to just print in this format. So those who are already aware of Excel, you can submit this data into the Excel. Those who are having database knowledge, they can insert into the database. I will try to create more videos as and when we require this. If possible, I will just take this data and in the Excel. In the next video, I will show you about that also. So in this window, this registration page, you create it and you just mail me. And those who are like not having my mail ID, you can just write it down. If you're getting any difficulty, you can just mail me. I will just reply on that one. So this is my mail ID, that is Prem Agrawal is lucky@gmail.com. Okay, so I will just check it if you are having any doubts, and I will just reply on that one. If you like my video guys, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you for watching this video guys.